Hold up. Ever wanted a robot that dances through your messy room and cleans it up? Meet the Raspberry Autonomous Navigator. This smart little bot isn't just for nerdy tech lovers, it's your new best cleaning buddy. Imagine cruising in after work, and guess what? Floors are spotless. Your feet find only smooth, clean surfaces. Juggling a busy life? It programs itself around your schedules. No need for constant check-ins. Oh, but what if it gets stuck? Nah, it'll navigate like a pro. It's practically smarter than your GPS. Great for pet owners too. Those tumbleweeds of fur? The bot gobbles them up, leaving behind nothing but clean peace. Setup is a breeze. Get it pairing with your Wi-Fi in seconds. Easy peasy, no sweat. So it's like magic, right? Actually, just clever tech making life simpler and shinier. And if you're lazy on Sundays, this bot doesn't mind. It's the ultimate team player. Chat over coffee while the little bot silently swishes away invisible dust bunnies. Perfect for tiny apartments or mansions. Doesn't discriminate, it's an equal opportunity cleaner. Hey, tired of bending and reaching for tiny crumbs? Let the bot do its thing. Brilliance in action. You gotta see it glide to believe it. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. What's next? Let this little buddy dazzle you. Check out the link below. Transform your home today.